In this video, I'll show you how to add a button to Shopify. We won't be adding the button directly through Shopify itself because it's very complicated for people who don't know how to code. So I have an alternative method, so do make sure to click the link below. And also, this is just a quick example of what it could look like, but there's going to be loads of different options available to suit different needs, and you can customize every single option to your branding. If you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description down below. That's going to bring you to this website right here. We're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets, and then on the very right hand side we have the tools. Just a little bit down here we have button. Go ahead and click right there. From here, click on the big pink button right here, which is going to bring us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. As you can see, we have a lot of different options for buttons, so you can go ahead and choose whatever it is you're looking for your website. I'm going to go ahead with a basic shop button like this, and from here, go ahead and click on continue with this template down here. From here, we need to go ahead and choose an action. In this case, it's going to go ahead and link to a different page on a Shopify website. So go ahead and insert the link to your Shopify website. So in my case, I would go back to Shopify. I'm going to click save and I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and go to my products page because this is going to be a shop now button, and then simply paste the link in here. So it might be something like this and then shop. Or collection or whatever your link is. But just make sure to insert that right here. Aside from that, you can also choose to open this in a new tab. So when people click, it's going to open in a new tab. And this is also a really cool thing about creating a widget with Elfsight is that you can interact with this to see how it's going to work on your website. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and toggle this off because it's going to be a shop now button. So I want to make it seem a bit more integrated on my page. And down here, you can also change the button label. So if it needs to be something else like a contact button, go ahead and change that to contact us or whatever you prefer. Down for the icon, you can go ahead and add a custom icon to the button by clicking add, and then you can choose from your library or upload from your computer. You can also go down here on additional info and add any extra information that you'd like to the button, but I'm not going to do that. Aside from that, you can go ahead on the left hand side and click on design right here. Here you can go ahead and customize something like the colors. You can even go ahead and click on this little option here to add a custom hex code if you have a color theme on your website. You can also choose a different button style. As you can see, as you can scroll through them here. So we have an option with a shadow, for example. And then you also have a few other options. Sorry about that. You can also choose the size of the icon, the font. It's going to apply the default font from your website. So if you wanted to do that, just go ahead and leave it as it is. And then you also have the option to go ahead and click on advanced design. From here, you can really go in and fine tune it. I'm not going to cover every single option, but you can easily go ahead and toggle things like shadow on and off if you'd like. Lastly, we also have the position on the website. So go ahead and click right here. Here you can choose for the button to be embedded or floating on your website. So embedded is basically where it's going to be in the middle of your website. So it's going to be as you view it right here. It's going to be in the center of your website because this little rectangle window here is supposed to be a representation of your website. So this is going to be in the middle of your website, and if you choose floating over here, it's going to be down at the bottom right corner or wherever you choose for it to be. But it's basically going to be floating, so this is going to be like a similar button to a contact us button, like a little chat bubble down here that people can click on. And if you don't want that, go ahead with the embedded option. And once you're ready to add this button to your website, go ahead and click on add to website for free down here. Now on your screen, you're going to have a pop-up window where you'll need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green publish button. And like I mentioned at the start of the video, this is going to be completely free of charge. So go ahead and click on the $0 a month option on the very left side here by clicking the gray select button. From here, you're going to be taken to this side. Go ahead and click on copy code here. And now it's time to head back to Shopify. Now, once you're on your Shopify page, it's very easy to add the button. Simply go ahead and find where you want to add it. In my case, I'm going to add it underneath of here, which should be under the featured collection. And to add it, go ahead and click on add section, and then just scroll down onto see layered right here and click on custom code. That's going to open up a sidebar on the right hand side right here where it says liquid code. From here, just go ahead and click here and then right click on your mouse and click on paste or click Ctrl V on your keyboard. And as you guys can see, we've now added a button to our Shopify website. So that's how you can add a button in Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.